Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online, no fluff and no scams. Did you know you can make money selling simple things online? You can. You don't need to be a computer expert, you just need to know how to use spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are used by millions of people every day. People use them at work, they use them at home, they use them for budgeting, planning, and more. This means there is a huge demand for helpful spreadsheet templates. You can create these templates and sell them online. It's a great way to make extra money. You can make over $100 per day selling templates. Some people make much more. It depends on how many templates you sell and how much you charge. You can sell your templates on websites like Etsy or Gumroad. You can even sell them on your own website. The possibilities are endless. Many people need help with spreadsheets. Not everyone knows how to create complex formulas or format spreadsheets nicely. That's where you come in. You can create templates for them. Students are one group that often needs spreadsheets. They can use them to track their grades or plan their homework. Another group is freelancers. Freelancers can use spreadsheets to track their income and expenses. Small businesses also need spreadsheets. They can use them to track inventory or manage their payroll. There are many other people who could use your help too. The first step is to choose your niche. This is the area you will focus on. Think about the skills you have. What kind of spreadsheets are you good at making? Once you know your skills, think about what people need. What kind of spreadsheet templates would be helpful to them? For example, let's say you are good at budgeting and saving money. You could create a budget template for students or freelancers. Or let's say you are good at organizing information. You could create a template to help people track their expenses. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This will make creating your templates more enjoyable. It will also help you to create better templates that people will love. Building your first template. Now it's time to build your first template. Open up your favorite spreadsheet program. Start by creating a basic structure for your template. This will include things like the different tabs, columns, and rows. Once you have the basic structure, you can start adding in the content. This might include things like formulas, formatting, and charts. Make sure your template is easy to use and understand. Use clear labels and instructions. You can even add comments to explain how to use the different features. Marketing and selling. Now that your template is complete, it's time to start selling. You need to let people know about your template. You can do this by listing it for sale online. Remember those websites we talked about earlier? Etsy and Gumroad are great places to start. You can also tell people about your template on social media. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Use relevant hashtags so people can find it. You can also create a website or blog to promote your template. Start earning today. Selling spreadsheet templates is a great way to make extra money. It's easy to get started and there is a lot of potential for profit. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your first template today. What kind of spreadsheet template do you think would sell well? Share your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Legit Internet Income for more money-making tips.